So we'll start the problems now. Okay. So write down the question. Consider the open statement. Consider the open statement. Consider the open statement. P of x, Q of x, R of x, S of x, T of x. Consider the open statement. Q of x, P of x, Q of x, R of x, S of x, and T of x. Okay. Where last question in ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ p of x ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Where p of x is x greater than 0. Last question in problem, last problem ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲ್ಲ same p of x ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. p of x is x greater than 0. q of x is even. r of x is perfect square. s of x is divisible by 3. p of x is divisible by 7. ಅದರದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು p of x q of x ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಸ್ಲು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸೇ ಮಿ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ. ಅದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. p of x ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೇಮ್ x is greater than 0, x is even, x is perfect square, x is divisible by 3, and x is divisible by 7. Okay, so full stop ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಅದಾದ ಅದಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. express each of the following symbolic statements. Each of the following symbolic statements in words and the inverse are used. Each of the following symbolic statements in words. First one, for all x, r of x, p of x. Second one, s of x and negation of q of x. Third one, r of x. Write down the question first. ಇದನ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಬರೆದಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೆದಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Okay, what about others? Written the question. Amruta, Annapurna, Akash. Okay, so see the question here. Okay, so lower your hands. See the question is, question they have given P of x, Q of x, R of x, S of x and T of x. Okay, they have given open statement. Okay, so open statement ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ ಏನು P of x ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ x is greater than 0. Okay, Q of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ x is even. R of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ x is perfect square. Okay, S of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ x is divisible by 3. Okay, next T of x is divisible by 7. So open statements ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ ಆಮೇಲೆ symbols ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. Okay, so how symbols ನೀವು words ನಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So last question ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ words ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ symbols ನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರಿ. Okay, so ಈಗ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ symbols ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು words ದಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So first one ಮಾಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ next ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿ try ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so first one ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನದ for all x. So for all ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ for every integer ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Okay, so for all x ಏನು ಹೇಳತಾನ r of x conditional p of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳತಾನ. So r of x conditional p of x ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ if and then ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, so if and then ಬರ್ತದೆ r of x ಏನದ r ಏನದ r is a perfect square. Okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ p of x ಏನದ greater than 0. So ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ so for every integer so first ನೋಡಿ for every integer every ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ full ಅದ. Okay, so for every integer x okay condition ಅದ so ನಾ ಏನು ತಗೋತೀನಿ if for every integer x if x is a perfect square x is a perfect square r of x another perfect square if x is a perfect square comma then another p of x another x is greater than 0 then x is greater than 0 so ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ for every integer ಇದು symbol ಅದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ so for every integer x okay conditional ಅದ so if x is perfect square ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ r ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ perfect square ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ so if x is perfect square then p of x another x is greater than 0 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ symbol ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವು sentence ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ please raise your hands understood how to convert symbol into statements everybody I want reply from everybody what about others Akash Lakshmi Amruta Annapurna Ashriya what about others everybody understood how to convert symbols into words Soumya Anju Chetan Momin Nagratna Akash Biradar understood Rakesh Sania Megha no who no Akash Biradar okay anybody else who has not understood ನಾ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಪೈಲಾ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ okay ನೋಡ್ರಿ who has not understood just once again I am repeating okay see here so ಏನದ ಇದು symbol is up in it Akash brother so this is your symbol ಈ symbol ನ sentence ನ convert ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾನ okay so ಈ symbol ಏನು indicate ಆಗ್ತದೆ for every ಅಂತ indicate ಆಗ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ for all for every okay for any so it indicate ಆಗ್ತದೆ for any for all for every ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು so I have taken for every okay this symbol for every integer x okay x ಏನದ integer ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತಾನ so for every integer x ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ okay so ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ for every integer x okay ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅದ so ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು if and then ಬರಬೇಕು okay so r of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಾಗ it is a perfect square okay So if x is a perfect square, okay, if x is a perfect square, then x is greater than 0. Okay, if x is a perfect square, then x is greater than 0. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಬ್ರದರ್? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಕಾಶ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ. Okay, so everybody understood? So ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅದನ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅದನ? Okay, so now say me whether this sentence is true or false. ಆಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನ rules. We have two rules, rule 1 and rule 2. Whether it is true or false, the sentence is true or false. Anybody can say? Anybody can say that whether this is true or false? Text ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು true false ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಂತ. True. Okay, what about others? True ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So what is mean by perfect square? Perfect square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? One square. Okay, ಅದು perfect square ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay, what about 0? True is wrong. This sentence is false. Okay, this sentence is false. ಎದಕ್ಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ನಾ false ಅದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಎದಕ್ಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Perfect square ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ. So perfect square comes 0 also. Perfect square ಒಳಗೆ 0 ನು ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, 0 is also perfect square. But he has given x is greater than 0. Okay, so he has given x is greater than 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ one condition ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ದು ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನದ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ 0 then it will be wrong. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x is greater than 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು x equal to 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ the statement is false. Understood? Understood why false? You all are saying that it is true. No, it's not true because the condition fails here is x equal to 0. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. x equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ x is greater than equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ? x is greater than 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಇಫ್ we given the condition x is greater than equal to 0 then it will be true. But now he has given x is greater than 0. But what about the perfect square of x equal to 0? Okay, so there the condition fails. So the statement is false. Mun baradbidu. It is a false ante baradbidu. Bare false ante baradbidu. Clear? So everybody cleared first question? Everybody cleared first question? Please reply. Fast. Reply fast. Okay. Okay, so we'll go for the second question. Second question ಬರೀತೀರೇನಾ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ? ಈಸಿ ಅದ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Some odd integer is divisible by 3. Okay, next continue. Sandeep, continue. First one is correct. Okay. Sandeep, you are here. Continue. Okay, Siddhan Raj. It's okay. Sandeep, we have two conditions. First condition you have written is true. But we have another condition. Try to write down the second one. Okay. see here. Again the extensional quantifier other. So I am taking as there exist. Okay. So there exists an integer. Okay. So there exists an integer. In another s is which is divisible by 3. Okay. Which is divisible by 3, and we have statement AND. Okay, AND operation. So AND Q of x is even. Negation of Qx is AND x is odd. So this is the sentence. Extensional quantifier other. So the kind of there exists a thing. Okay, not even antare baribodu illandre odd antanu baribodu naditadu. Yes, shift the is correct. Okay, you can take it add or you can take it is not even. X is not even. Shift the is correct. Okay, so see here there exists an integer. Okay, another extension other. So the client martini there exists an integer antartini. So which is divisible by 3. Yakandre s of x another in the divisible by 3. So which is divisible by 3. We have AND operator. So AND it is negation of q of x. Q of x is even kotana. So and is not even ante baribodu artha and is x is an odd antanu baribodu. Understood? Understood the second question? Please raise your hands. Okay. Okay. Anybody have doubts or who has not understood the second question? Anybody? Anybody is there who has not understood the second question, who have doubt? Everybody understood? Repeat. Okay. So you load up it. See here. I am repeating once again. S of x and another sentence in the open statement another which is divisible by 3 and the kotan. Okay. So S of x again kotan x is divisible by 3 and the kotan. Okay. Q of x again kotan x is even and the kotan. Okay. ಇದರ ಗೊತ್ತದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. So S of x another divisible by 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಇದೇನದ even ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. Okay. So extensional quantifier ಅದ. So ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? There exists ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು sum ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಡೀತದೆ sum of an integer ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ there exists ತಗೋತೀನಿ. So there exists an integer. Okay. So there exists an integer ಏನದ which is divisible by 3. Okay. So S of x ಏನದ which is divisible by 3. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅದ? AND operator ಅದ. So ಅದಕ್ಕ AND x is not even. Okay. So negation operator ಅದ. So ಅದಕ್ಕ x is not even ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ x is an odd ಅಂತನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Clear? Amrita, clear? Why which is not perfect agape? S of x ಏನದ ನಿಮ್ದು? Which one you are saying? Who is that? C. Okay, okay. C correct ape. C ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ. C ಬರ್ತಿಂದಮ್ಮ ಏನದ C question it is not a perfect square. Okay, correct ape. For every integer x it is not a perfect square. C is correct one. So C one ಕರೀರಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Go for third one. Third one simple ಅದ ನೋಡಿ. Akash brother has already solved. Very good ape. Okay, third one very simple one. R of x ಏನದ perfect square ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Not a perfect square ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay. So for every integer x, ಬರೀರಿ. For every integer x, x is not a perfect square ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Third one. For every integer x, okay, x is not a perfect square. Clear? It's a direct question there. So next we'll go for the fourth one. R of x another of x square ಇದೆ p of x ಏನಿದೆ divisible by 7 ಇದೆ. So fourth one ಏನಿದೆ r of x ಏನಿದೆ of x square ಇದೆ. of x square p of x ಏನಿದೆ divisible by 7 ಇದೆ. So ಏನು ಕಲಿತೀರಿ 4 ಇದೆ. So for every integer x is an, so x is a perfect square or x is divisible by 7. Yeah, or operator is so directly or ತಗೋತೀವಿ or x is divisible by 7. Clear? For every integer x is a perfect square or x is divisible by 7. So everybody clear? Either ತಗೋಬೇಡಪ್ಪಿ ಸಂದೀಪ್ Shivdev, okay, Shivdev is correct. Sandeep, don't use either. Instead of that you use or because he has given or operator. Okay, your sentence is correct, but instead of either you use or. Sandeep, Shivdev, yours is correct. So everybody cleared that question? Heng baribek symbols kotra heng sentence baritirant gottata? Everybody, I want reply from everybody. Please raise your hands. Okay. So similarly, now one question ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವೇ. Okay, so write down the next question. Okay, so next question, write down. ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ write down. Consider the following open statements. Write down the question. Next question, similar question is there. Consider the following open statements. Consider the following open statements with the set of all real numbers. With the set of all real numbers. With the set of all real numbers as the universe. As the universe. I am repeating. Consider the following open statements. Consider the following open statements with the set of all real numbers. With the set of all real numbers as the universe. As the universe. Write down the statements. Write down the statements here. P of x. X is greater than 0. Q of x. X square is greater than 0. Greater than or equal to. Okay. Next. R of x. X square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. And S of x. X square minus 3 greater than 0. Okay, so write down P of x, Q of x, R of x and S of x. Write down these four open statements. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ the truth table, determine the truth values of the following statements. First one, okay. So take this as assignment question. Solve this by evening and send me by evening. Okay. So take this as assignment question. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ and send me by evening. Okay, so we have completed today's class, that is quantifiers mugit nimda, open statements and quantifiers mugita. Tomorrow we'll go for logical equivalence problems, and we have logical equivalence in quantifiers. Okay, so we have completed the first topic in the chapter 2. Okay, that is open statements and quantifiers mugita. So I hope everybody understood the open statements and quantifiers. Everybody understood? Everybody understood the open statements and quantifiers? Okay. Okay, so lower your hands. Tomorrow, ivatten logical definition ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ, logical equivalence. Okay, so our logical equivalence ತಗೊಂಡ quantifiers ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತದ. Okay, so tomorrow we'll go for the next topic of the second chapter. It's very easy. So ಅದು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬರೀ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. So please attend the tomorrow's class. Okay, so we'll end here. Thank you all. Any doubts? Any doubts? I want everybody to answer this question. Okay, it may be wrong or it may be correct. Okay, last time some people have sent me or wrong ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ ಇದು wrong ಅದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. Okay, so wrong ಇದ್ರೂ send ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Clear? Wrong ಅದ ನನಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೈಡ್ ಸರ್ದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಬರೀರಿ, ಬರೆಯೋದ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನನಗೆ. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಬೈ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಾ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. Completed? Everybody completed writing this question or still writing? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಾ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಂತ. What about others? Raise your hands who has completed. Shiv, they have completed. Okay, add madla. Okay, thank you.